Hey there, here's my rundown on my favorite apps for creating videos. From filming, editing, and graphics, I've got you covered. First up is my favorite tool when it comes to creating graphics for video, and that is Canva. Canva makes it so easy to create motion graphics like this. Plus, you can add in B-roll with their stock video footage as well. And I do recommend getting Canva Premium, not the free version, so that way you have access to all of their graphics, all of their stock video footage. It just makes content creation so easy and fun too. So highly recommend it. The link is in the description below. And by the way, I'm not an affiliate for any of these recommendations. I just get asked a lot, hey, what do you recommend for da-da-da-da-da? So here you go in this video. Now, for a full tutorial on how to create motion graphics in Canva, you can click this video right up here. I'll also put the link to that video in the description below. When it comes to filming, my favorite app is simply the camera app on my iPhone. And then I love to use the cinematic mode as well. Although I do have to admit, for YouTube videos, I pretty much always use my DSLR camera, but when it comes to shorts and reels, it's always from my iPhone. Cinematic mode makes the background blurry, which basically does a pretty decent job of making it look like you're using a DSLR. I mean, it's not perfect, but I do think it adds a nice touch when you want a more simple way to making quality videos. Well, someone hopped into my lap, but I wanted to let you know about my free training video and guide. I walk you through step-by-step how to film yourself professionally on a phone. So it doesn't matter where you're at, you can create a film set that looks fantastic in any location. Plus, I show you how to look better on video than in real life. And here's a little hint, it has nothing to do with makeup. So make sure and click the link in the description below to watch my free training video. When it comes to video editing apps, my favorite for a phone is Inshot, and you can use it on an iPhone or Android phones. I love that you can choose from all types of aspect ratios. For example, vertical, horizontal, even square videos. Plus, it has a user-friendly interface and is pretty simple to use. In fact, this past summer, I taught my 10-year-old how to edit videos in Inshot, and he totally took off with it, which was so much fun to see. Inshot is just $4 a month, or you can have lifetime access for just $40. And the links to all of these are in the description below this video. Now, when it comes to editing on a computer, which is actually my favorite way to edit videos, I just find it so much easier and faster in general because you have a big screen. My favorite is Final Cut Pro. And Final Cut Pro, unfortunately, is only made for Apple computers. But if you're ready for that next step and you want to have more advanced features and just create really professional looking videos, then I highly recommend Final Cut Pro. It's a one-time payment of $300 and you have lifetime access to it. Plus you can put it, I believe, on 3 different devices as well. Now, if you're like, okay, Patricia, that's great, but I don't want to pay for anything, then I recommend CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing platform, and you can use it on your phone, whether you have an iPhone or Android, your tablet, your computer. It's super user-friendly as well, and it's really great to make just catchy social media videos. They have graphics and music, and you can add subtitles that are really catchy. Now, the only drawback with CapCut is that it does store and collect your user data. It's owned by the same company that owns TikTok. And so this company is known for collecting your user data. So if you're not comfortable with that, then I highly recommend just getting Inshot. But if you don't mind that it does that, then it's a really great free video editing app. And I also have a favorite AI video editing app, OpusClip. So OpusClip is fantastic by repurposing your long form video content into short form videos. So you can post sections of your long form video as reels or shorts. And it does a really good job at creating like 30-second or 1-minute snippets. Plus, you can add catchy subtitles. You can go in there and tweak the edit as well in a really easy way. There's like stock video footage you can add in there as well. So it's pretty cool. Even emojis, like it makes it really great. There's a free version, a free trial, and then of course a paid version as well. Okay, don't forget you can get access to my free training video and guide where I walk you through step by step how to film yourself professionally on a phone. So go ahead and click the link below this video. Alrighty, if this video was helpful, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribed to my channel. And let me know in the comments which one of these apps you're gonna try. I would love to hear from you. Alrighty, I'll see you later.